What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about this HP NVTS M6 Sleekbook laptop and what I did to make it a lot faster, which you already know from the title. I upgraded the hard drive and I upgraded the RAM. A lot of places online says this only could have 8 gigabytes of RAM, but I put 16 gigabytes of RAM. It works perfect. It shows right here, installed RAM 16 gigs. I put an SSD hard drive in here and it works perfect, and it's really snappy now. It was all slow and the only thing I could think of is it was just nasty to work with. It's just slow and horrible. It was not cool. So I upgraded it to 16 gigabytes of RAM and put an SSD in here, and that's literally all I did. And this thing runs really nice now. It's snappy, it turns on really fast, opens programs extremely fast, which all of you guys know that's what's good about an SSD. The extra RAM, all it's gonna do is allow you to have more programs open at the same time, but that's what I did, and I'm gonna walk you through the steps of how to do it right now. So the first thing you have to do, the first thing I did, which you don't have to upgrade the RAM immediately, but that's what I did, I opened up the back, took out the old RAM sticks, and then literally just put the new RAM sticks in. This is the type of RAM that I purchased. You do have to purchase the right kind of RAM. This is what I purchased, as you see in this B-roll. And then literally you just click it in the same way the other ones came out and you're good to go. The next thing I did was I put the back on, left the hard drive in there. Don't take the hard drive out yet. Put the back on, open up the computer. Then my SSD that I purchased that came in the mail. What I recommend is the Samsung 500 or 1 terabyte SSD. As long as it's Samsung, you're gonna be good, because you could use their data migration app, which is so easy. All you do, the SSD that you purchase from Samsung, you plug it in to an external device. You know, you plug it in as you see here in this B-roll. Plug it into your computer, open up the program, you go to Google. I typed in Samsung Data Migration Program, and then it's gonna come up on Samsung's website. You download it, open up the app, and then you're gonna have a target, and then you're gonna have what you want to migrate. As you see here, I'm gonna demonstrate on the computer here to make it easy. So you're gonna have a source drive, which is the drive obviously on the computer. And then you're gonna have a target drive, which is the drive, the new SSD. So you literally do that, you select your target drive to the new drive. Source drive is automatically gonna be the drive for the Windows drive here. And then you hit start, and then literally when it's done, all you have to do is turn off the computer, put the new SSD in. As you see here, I'm gonna show you how to do it. You take out, there's 4 screws on the bottom, take those out. And then you could take out the 4 screws on the side of the old hard drive, take them out, unplug it, and then as you can see here, just literally plug in the SSD, put your screws back in, turn the computer on, and it will be like nothing happened. The only difference is the computer's gonna be a lot more snappy, a lot quicker, and if you upgraded the RAM already too, it's gonna be just faster. You're gonna be able to have more programs open. It's gonna be amazing. You're gonna love it because it's so easy to do this. I mean, if you get a Samsung SSD, which I think is $63 for 500 gigabytes, 63 bucks, get a Samsung, you could use their app that comes with their website, and it will pick up if it's a Samsung or not. So it has to be a Samsung hard drive or SSD. And then you hit your target drive, it does the little magic down here. After you hit start, once it's done, shut the computer down, literally open the computer up. Take out your 4 Phillips head screwdrivers, take the old hard drive out, unplug it, plug the new one in, you know, put your screws back in as you see I'm doing here in this B-roll, and literally that's it. Very simple. I hope this was very easily explained, because a lot of people probably have this computer just laying around at home and they think it's no good. Really, it's a good computer if you put a SSD inside of it and you upgrade the RAM. You can upgrade the RAM. The RAM does help, and this cheap. I upgraded this for like $150 because the RAM was like $40 a piece, I believe. I don't remember, but it was like $150 max. A new SSD, more RAM, and it's really snappy. I don't know if y'all could tell. Let me open up a program, hopefully, because they did their church stuff with this, so hopefully no personal information's here. I'll definitely check. Look how fast that opened. It just opens up way faster than it did before. Before, to open up a regular program, it took forever, but now it's just really quick. Now this is Zoom. I haven't even tried Zoom yet. Let's see if it's gonna open it up. Look how fast that is. For this computer, for being as old as it is, it's really snappy. Look at that. I'm telling you, before it was extremely slow. So with that, that's all I wanted to say in this video. I wanted to, in case you have this computer laying around, you can make it a really good computer, really fast. Upgrade the SSD, 150 bucks. It's gonna feel like a brand new computer. I promise you that. More RAM, another SSD, and you'll be good. So with that, thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification. And yeah, see you later.